The Pope was just one of several world leaders, both religious and secular, that weighed in on the events in Venezuela. Leaders across Latin America were among the first to respond. Presidents from Colombia, Brazil, and Mexico issued joint statements rejecting the military actions carried out. María Corina Machado, the opposition leader who had fled the country for her safety, posted an audio statement on X.
Llegó la hora de la libertad.
The hour of freedom has arrived. We are going to restore order, release the political prisoners, build an exceptional country, and bring our children back home.
Meanwhile, the bishops of Venezuela put out a message on social media which read, "Let us ask God to grant all Venezuelans serenity, wisdom, and strength. We stand in solidarity with those who were wounded and the families of those who died. Let us persevere in prayer for the unity of our people." Meanwhile, the Latin American and Caribbean Episcopal Conference of Bishops said, "We want to reaffirm to you that you are not alone. Selam walks with you and with the Venezuelan people, encouraging every effort to build bridges, heal wounds, and move forward in reconciliation without excluding anyone." Across Europe, reactions were more cautious. British and French officials acknowledged the humanitarian implications of the operation, but emphasized the importance of international law and long-term stability in the region. Italy said it joined together with other international partners, having never recognized Maduro's self-proclaimed electoral victory, while condemning the regime's acts of repression. The nation supports the Venezuelan people's aspiration to have a democratic transition. Longtime allies of the Maduro government, Russia and China, sharply criticized the United States, calling the arrests a violation of Venezuelan sovereignty, and warned of what Moscow described as dangerous precedent-setting intervention.